Next topic, uh, type of antenna. This type of antennas means is entire the second unit. This second unit means thin linear wave antennas. These thin linear wave antennas we have to explain for the radiated potential radiated from the small electronic dipole antennas. Okay, so these type of antenna, different types of antennas is there. First one, short dipole antenna, half wave dipole antenna, broadband dipole antenna, monopole antenna, folded dipole antennas, small loop antenna, microstrip antennas, rectangular microstrip antennas. There are microstrip antennas are two types. Okay, rectangular microstrip antennas are planar inverted antennas. Okay, F antennas. Next, reflected antennas. Next, corner reflector, parabolic reflectors, and dish antennas. Next, traveling wave antennas. Again, two types: helical antennas and aguda antennas, and spiral antennas. Three types. Okay. Next, operator antennas. Operator antennas again seven types. Okay. Slot antenna, cavity backed slot antennas, and with inverted F antenna, slotted waveguide antennas, horn antenna, Vivaldi antenna, telescope antennas, and other antenna means NFC, near field communication antennas. Okay, these type of antennas we are using some antenna wave propagations or antenna purpose. Okay, first one, short dipole antenna. Short dipole antenna means what is the purpose of short dipole antenna? There are small size. Okay, these short dipole antenna is the simplest of the all antennas. It's simply open circuit wire feed at the the L, center of the L. See that this is a antenna terminal is a positive terminal and negative terminal. This is a short dipole antennas. What is the length of the antenna? L is equal to L is the length. The word short or small is antenna engineering always im- simply relative to wavelength. So the objective size of the above dipole antenna does not matter. Okay, this dipole antenna does not matter. Only size and wire relative to the wavelength of the frequency of operations. Okay, these wavelength of the antenna, short dipole antenna is oriented by z axis. Okay, z axis. So z equal 0. I have z equal, I have 0 into 1 minus 2 modulation z by L. That means short dipole antenna formula. Okay, so next, these current distributions of the short dipole antenna, these distributions of it's total 0 point I of z minus L by 2 plus L by 2, that is the z axis. Okay, these are current distributions. So these current distributions, the field radiated from the short dipole antenna for field is given by E naught. Okay, per field E naught j mu k I naught L e power j k r by 8 pi r sin theta. That is the main short dipole antenna main formula. Otherwise, h of phi equal E naught by mu. HR equal H ER equal E pi equal 0 equal 0. Okay, that means entire value E naught value 0, H pi value 0. Okay, entire value is 0. The above equations taken the broken with the down understood somewhat the inactivity. Okay, the field only for the E naught and H naught is less than non-zero. Further, the field authorized in space of length of the antenna. Okay, this far field region of the antennas is the plane wave. Second one is a plane wave. P of r equal P of r integral 1 by r square. Okay, that is inversely proportional to radiations. That is the field of antenna. Next, distribute the phase variations in the parameters sin theta at the same time. Okay, these short dipole antennas is to directivity, impedance, and other properties. in short dipole antenna. The other properties means the directivity of the center feed short dipole antennas depends upon only sin theta. Its components of the fields. Okay, these sin theta components is polarized by the x and y plane. The antenna would be described as vertically. Okay, z equal r r rad plus r loss plus jx. Okay, this is a imaginary equipments, imaginary values. Okay, r read equal 2 pi r square l by lambda. L by lambda is the length of the material. Okay, r loss equal l by 6 pi a root of pi few mu by 2 lambda. So these are final equations of the short dipole antennas. Okay, x value minus 120 lambda by x pi l and integral limit l by 2 pi 2a minus 1. Okay, next go for dipole antennas. These dipole antennas, the dipole antenna with a very thin radius. Consider the dipole antenna is similar to the short dipole. Expect it's not a required to be small compared to the wavelength of the frequency antenna is operating. Okay, for dipole antenna the length of L of Z equal L sin some value 0 to L by 2 and L sin some theta value minus L by 2 to 0. Okay, so this means the entire of the antenna wavelength there are negative to positive values. These negative to positive, the current also oscillating in the sinusoidal frequency f. Okay, so f z equal r plus jx formulas. So it's taken by radiation patterns of the dipole antennas. So these radiation patterns total means these are the normalized radiation pattern from the dipole antenna. The antenna specified for the different equations. Okay, those equations dividing on 3D radiation for one wavelength of the dipole antenna. These dipole antenna 3D three dimensional value. These three dimensional values we have to antenna. Okay, next go for half wave dipole. Okay, these are half wave antennas in three dimensionals. These half wave antennas means total depending upon short range antennas. The short range antenna is a small size lambda by 2 minus 2 0 pi by 2 lambda by 2. Okay, there are next one is the monopole. Monopole again short. Monopole is also very thick small values. We are finding some bandwidth broad dipole. Okay, these calculations of values. This is a monopole antennas. It has total depending upon perfect electronic conductors L and 2L. Okay, this is a positive to negative terminals. These type of antennas. Next, continue for the next topic. Effect of a finite size ground plane and monopole antennas. Okay, these antenna we have to explain by tomorrow. Okay, guys. If you have to any doubts, contact to me. No problem, guys. Tomorrow or Sunday, I have to conduct in Zoom class. If we in purpose of subjects, subject doubt clarifications. Okay.